Forex, your Lamborghini dreams start here. Imagine yourself behind the wheel of a sleek, powerful Lamborghini, cruising down the highway with the wind in your hair. It's a dream many of us share, but how do we make it a reality? Want to trade currencies like a boss? Forex trading might just be your golden ticket. It's not just about making money, it's about mastering the art of financial strategy. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. To the newbies, I hope you enjoy the ride. Forex trading can be your ticket to big gains. Imagine the thrill of seeing your investments grow, the excitement of making the right call at the right time. Well, maybe not a Lamborghini right away, but a Honda Civic? Definitely possible. It's all about starting small and building your way up. Okay, maybe just a bus pass for now. But don't get discouraged. Every expert trader started somewhere. But seriously, Forex is the world's biggest financial market. With trillions of dollars traded daily, the opportunities are endless. Traders make money by buying and selling currencies. It's fast-paced and exciting, requiring sharp focus and quick decision-making. And sometimes you lose money. A lot of money. It's a high-risk, high-reward game and not for the faint-hearted. So buckle up because we're about to dive into the world of Forex trading with MetaTrader5. This platform is your gateway to the Forex market. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it looks. With the right guidance and tools, you can navigate this complex world with confidence. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Together, we'll explore strategies, tips, and tricks to help you succeed in Forex trading. Let's get started on this exciting journey. MetaTrader5, or MT4, is a popular trading platform. Think of it as your Forex Swiss Army knife. It's got all the tools you need to trade like a pro, or at least look like one. MT4 lets you analyze charts, place trades, and even automate your trading with robots. Yes, robots. Sadly, they don't make you coffee, but they can help you make or lose money while you sleep. How cool is that? Ready to get your hands dirty? Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. Installing MT4 is super easy. It's like a walk in the park. Even your grandma could do it. Seriously, it's that straightforward. No offense to your grandma. She's probably more tech-savvy than most of us. First, find a reputable Forex broker. This is your first step into the trading world. Think of them as your Forex matchmaker. They help you find the best opportunities. They connect you to the market. Choose wisely. Your trading success depends on it. Once you've found your broker, download the MT4 platform from their website. It's a simple process. It's usually a free download. No hidden costs, just straightforward trading. Because who pays for software these days? Installation is a breeze. Just a few clicks and you're done. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Click, click, done. You're ready to trade. But wait, there's one more step. We still need to set up your account. This is where the magic happens. Get ready to dive into the world of trading. Section 4, Account Setup. It's like making a dating profile, but for money. Now it's time to create your trading account. This is where you'll deposit your hard-earned cash or your parents' money, no judgment. Fill out the registration form with your details. Choose a strong password. Don't use password 123. Be more creative. Once your account is verified, you can log into MT4 and start exploring. But first, let's customize the settings to suit your trading style, because one size doesn't fit all. Section 5, MT4. Tips and tricks level up your trading game. MT4 can be a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate the platform like a pro. First things first, learn the basics of technical analysis. This involves looking at charts and indicators to identify trading opportunities. It's like reading tea leaves, but with more numbers. Experiment with different order types. There are market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. Each one has its own purpose. Don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. If you followed the video up until now, kindly smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification. Section 6. Congrats, you're basically a Forex guru now. Not really, but keep practicing. That's it. You've successfully set up MT4, one of the most popular trading platforms out there, and you're ready to conquer the Forex market. Well, not really conquer. Maybe dip your toes in. Remember, Forex trading is risky. It's like walking a tightrope. One wrong move and you could fall. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Think of it as money you might never see again. And always do your research before making any trades. Knowledge is power, and in Forex, it's your best friend. Don't just follow what some random guy on YouTube tells you to do. There are a lot of so-called experts out there. Unless that random guy is me, of course. But even then, take everything with a grain of salt. But seriously, with practice and patience, you can become a successful Forex trader. It's not going to happen overnight, but with dedication, you'll get there. And maybe one day, you'll be driving that Lamborghini, or at least dreaming about it, or at least a Honda Civic. No judgment. Every successful journey starts with a single step, and you're already on your way.